So upon unboxing the wireless transmitter or receiver, first off, it came with a couple different cables. It came with a mini splitter. So this would allow you to split your signal. So one could be used with the transmitter, the other one used with your headphone or somebody else. Came with a charging cable, it's standard USB micro cable, standard USB on one side and micro USB on the other for charging the device. It needs to be charged. It did come fully charged. So to hook this up, we simply powered it on. I made sure, which is by using the power button down here, which when you hit it just once, it just gives you the display. There's the switch on the side. It's in the down position, it's transmitting. If you switch it up, it will become a receiver, since this can also receive from another Bluetooth device and power headphones or speakers or something that currently aren't Bluetooth, and make them Bluetooth if that's what you wanted to do. But we wanted to transmit. Then I took the other these other cables came with it as well. So the red and white cable back there are standard analog RCAs. I plugged them into my television's analog right and left output, with the red being right and the white being left. And then that adapter adapts to a standard mini connector back here. Then this short mini cable comes with it. One goes into my RCA adapter there, the other one plugs into the device. Upon turning this on, this device, when it was in the transmit mode, immediately went to pairing. And since it only had one set of speakers within range, it automatically paired with them, which were our nulled speakers that are out on the deck. According to the instructions, you can use this arrow button and scroll through multiple, if there are multiple speakers that it identifies, you can select from them, but we didn't have to do that. It automatically paired with the nulled. At that point, it's automatically transmitting. Once I plug the TV's audio in, it's wirelessly Bluetooth transmitting out to the deck.
Another very difficult, painful evening. But in a sea of... there were a couple of highlights. Bobbing up and down. Royce, welcome back.
Thank you, Chef.
Christina, you finally found your voice.
Yes, Chef.
Unfortunately, your team didn't gel